Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mammee and this is a massive development that China Harbour Engineering Company is doing, and they have started construction. So we're going to give you an update as to what's going on out here. Now to the left of us is Highway 2000 North-South leg. To the right of us is a Northern Coastal Highway. So this development is right beside two major highways in Jamaica. When you talk about location, this is Highway 2000 that takes you from Kingston to Mammee Bay. Takes you 45 minutes to get to Mammee Bay now. And now right between the both highways is where China Harbour Engineering Company is doing their own development. They are not the contractors, well, they are the contractors on this one, but they are also the developer. They own this property and they are building it to sell the units. Now, the development is on 160 acres of prime real estate. Our real estate agent said these units should sell out within a week of going on the market. Prime real estate. So what they're doing is building 69. Okay, the name of the development is the Mammee Bay Roaring River Development. It's on 160 acres of land. Sorry, the name is Roaring River Mammee Bay Estate. Roaring River Mammee Bay Estate, and it's on 160 acres of land. They're going to build 69 deluxe and standard 3-bedroom units, 200 1 and 2-bedroom units, and 4 multi-story. The development will have 4 multi-story blocks and can accommodate 4,000 people. It will have all the amenities like a clubhouse, a pool, gym, jogging trail, nature park. It will have security, backup generator, all the amenities you find with a modern development. Now, this development was not without controversy. So the first controversy was the environment. People were saying this development is too close to Duns River Falls and it would cause problems for the watershed in the area. But the NEPA, the environmental agency, granted the license or the permit for them to proceed. So there is no environmental impact on that. And this is also, this land now is a part of, what was it, 1,000 or 1,200 acres of land that the government gave to China Harbour Engineering Company. Yes, gave to them. Now, that deal was investigated a few times by different government entities, but nothing was wrong, and it turned out to be a very good deal. I'll tell you why in a minute. So, the Highway 2000 was being built, and it was a French contractor, and they ran into problems and they weren't able to finish the project, so the project stalled. It came to a standstill, and the government brokered a deal. The government of the day was the PNP under Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller. They brokered a deal for China Harbour Engineering Company, one of the largest contractors in the world, to come to Jamaica and work and finish the project. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company came, looked at everything and said, we'll do the project, no problem. We will pay for the building of the project. The Jamaican government doesn't have to pay anything. We will pay the French contractor for the work that they already did, and we will build the road, but we just have 2 conditions. 1, give us a concession for 50 years to collect toll on the highway to repay the cost of building the highway. And 2, give us 1,200 acres of land beside the highway for us to develop. And that would go towards the cost of the highway. And they specifically asked for this piece of land that they are now building on. They specifically asked for this piece of land. And the government said, yes, sure. Remember, this was years ago. This area was not developed as it was, but Those engineers or the developers at China Harbor Engineering Company saw the potential for this area. And this is, I think, 2006. The highway opened in 2006. So this deal would have been made a little before that because the highway took a few years to build. Now, the highway was built, one of the greatest developments, not only in Jamaica, but in the Caribbean. Studies have been done about the building of this highway because it was, I think it still is, the most expensive capital expenditure project in Jamaican history. And not only Jamaica, but the Caribbean. Studies have been done on it. So that is why I say it was an excellent deal. For one, Jamaica got the highway. And two, China Harbor Engineering Company came to Jamaica. And they have stayed in Jamaica, and they are now the top contractor in Jamaica. And they are single-handedly building all the highways in Jamaica. So I think it was an excellent deal. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So the government put a condition on China Harbor Engineering Company getting the 1,200 acres of land. They told them they had to develop the land by within a certain time period or the land goes back to the government. So that is why China Harbor Engineering Company has started this project now, because the time to do the thing has finished. Or not finished, but getting close. So they're doing this massive development out here. And of course, we'll keep you guys updated. We'll give you updates every 2 weeks. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.